another beautiful day here in Tucson. It's our last day here in Tucson, and we gotta head out tomorrow, so we're gonna do a few last sightseeing things before we head out. We're heading out to check out the Pima Air Space Museum, and we're gonna also go to the Biosphere.
Your baggage goes right there.
Pima Air and Space Museum is one of the world's largest non-government funded aerospace museums and features a display of nearly 300 aircraft spread out over 80 acres, and has also been the home to the Arizona Aviation Hall of Fame since 1991. The museum was opened to the public on May 8, 1976. The first hangar on the site was completed in early 1982. A second hangar was built in 1987, a third in 1992, and a fourth in 1994. Biosphere II is an American Earth System Science research facility that was originally meant to demonstrate the viability of closed ecological systems to support and maintain human life in outer space. As an experimental ecological facility, it allowed the study and manipulation of a mini-biospheric system without harming Earth's biosphere. Its 7 biome acres include a 20,000 square foot rainforest, a 9,100 square foot ocean with coral reef, a 4,800 square foot mangrove wetlands, a 14,000 square foot savanna grassland, and a 15,000 square foot fog desert. Biosphere II is now owned by the University of Arizona and is engaged in research projects including research into the terrestrial water cycle and how it relates to ecology, atmospheric science, soil geochemistry, and climate change. Good morning. It's cold out here this morning in Tucson, Arizona. It's moving day. We're about to head out. We're getting everything unplugged and ready to go. So we had a great time yesterday checking out some of the last minute sightseeing stuff, and it's time to go on north and west. We're gonna try to go up through Phoenix and then probably head west after that. See if we can find a little bit warmer weather, or at least stay south of the cold weather. Believe it or not, this cat has never seen the snow, and we've got snow this morning, so I'm going to see how she likes it. We're going to check it out. Come on. What side? Let's go. There's not a lot left because it's pretty much melted, but there's a little bit over here. I want to see what she does. What do you think about the snow, Kixie? Shaking your foot? Yeah, say it's wet and cold, isn't it? Shake that foot. You ready to go, Kixie? We're about to head out. Yeah, we're about to go. Ready to load up? Goodbye, Tucson. It was a beautiful stay. We had a lot of fun seeing all the sights, and we met a lot of great people.
made some new friends. A couple of our new friends, Jack and Nadine, will be in Lake Havasu, and we're hoping to meet back up with them. Jack is an author. He's got some books. You should go check them out. I haven't got a chance to read them yet, but it's on my list. I'll put the link to his website down below and you can go check it out. He also has a podcast. They are great people. We're hoping to meet up with them and hang out again. We're going to continue north to Picacho State Park. We might try to stay the night there if it's not too crowded. So we'll see what happens. Made it to the trailhead.
I don't know that I can make it all the way up there.
You can do it.
Can I?
Let's do it. So we're here at what state park?
Pikachu.
Picacho.
Pikachu.
She calls it Pikachu. I guess she likes the, what is that, the cartoon? We're at Picacho State Park. We're doing the Hunter Trail. It's supposed to be the most difficult one up to the peak. So we'll see if we're ready for this. All right, up you go.
Up you go.
Up you go.
Up you go.
Ready for the next cable climb?
No.
We made it to the top. How do you feel?
With no word. Or breath.
And if you look straight down there's our RV. Ready to hike back down?
Yep.
Gonna hike down, maybe grab a bite to eat, and then hit the road again.
On the road again.
We made it back from the hike and got a little bite to eat. Now we're back on the road, and next stop will be Lake Havasu. We'll see you then. Bye for now.